What if I told you there was one man who didn't just dominate clay shooting? He completely redefined what perfection looked like. He didn't just break targets, he broke records, he broke limits, and most importantly, he broke the belief of what human consistency was capable of. This is the story of Wayne Mays, a name still spoken with respect in shooting circles around the world, a shooter many still call the greatest skeet shooter of all time. From the early 1970s through decades of unmatched performance, Wayne Mays built a legacy almost impossible to comprehend. 42 world championships, hundreds of perfect rounds, a level of consistency so extraordinary that it forced the shooting world to rethink everything. But here's the real question. How did he do it? Was it natural talent? Was it endless practice? Was it genetics? Or was it something much deeper? Something most shooters never fully understand. Because Wayne Mays' greatness wasn't built on luck. It was built on a system, a repeatable process, a way of thinking, a way of seeing, a way of performing under pressure that separated him from everyone else. And if you truly understand that system, it can completely transform your own shooting. This isn't just the story of a champion. This is the blueprint of mastery. The first secret, one target at a time. One of Wayne Mays' most powerful principles was also his simplest. Take them one target at a time. At first, that sounds obvious, almost too simple. But this single idea separates average shooters from elite performers, because most shooters never truly focus on the target in front of them. Instead, their minds drift. They think about the score. They replay the previous miss. They worry about the next station. They feel pressure building as the round progresses. And the moment your attention leaves the present, your performance begins to collapse. Wayne Mays never thought about shooting 100 targets. He thought about shooting one, then another, then another. He wasn't shooting a perfect round. He was executing a single perfect moment, over and over again. This matters because the human brain performs best when fully isolated on one task. The second your mind splits between performance and outcome, reaction slows, timing weakens, visual focus softens. Execution becomes unstable. That's why elite shooters mentally reset after every shot. Hit or miss, it doesn't matter. The previous target no longer exists. The next target hasn't arrived. There is only now. This is where real consistency is built. When shooters learn to isolate each shot mentally, something incredible happens. Pressure disappears, focus sharpens, execution becomes clean. Because they are no longer trying to survive the round. They are simply executing the process. And process always beats pressure. The power of structured repetition. Most shooters believe improvement comes from shooting more. Wayne Mays proved that improvement comes from shooting better. There is a massive difference. Average shooters practice like this. Shoot randomly. Experiment constantly. Change techniques after every mistake. Search for shortcuts. Hope something works. Elite shooters do the opposite. They build one system, then repeat it relentlessly. That's exactly what Wayne Mays did. He wasn't chasing variety. He was chasing precision. Every mount had to feel the same. Every stance had to feel the same. Every movement had to happen on the same rhythm, again and again and again, until it became automatic. This is what true repetition means. Not mindless volume, not endless shooting without purpose, but highly focused, intentional reinforcement of correct mechanics. Because the brain learns through consistency. If your input changes every session, your output becomes unstable. The nervous system cannot automate chaos. Wayne understood this deeply. He knew that under pressure, shooters don't rise to their hopes. They fall to the level of their training. That's why his practice wasn't designed to impress. It was designed to install, to program movement so deeply into muscle memory that performance became automatic. And once that happens, confidence changes. Because now, confidence isn't based on emotion. It's based on evidence. You trust yourself because your body has already done it thousands of times. That is real confidence. And that is exactly how champions are built. Why gun-fit changes everything. One of the most overlooked aspects of clay shooting is gun-fit. And Wayne Mays understood its importance better than almost anyone. Most struggling shooters assume their misses come from poor aim. But often, the real problem is mechanical misalignment. If your gun doesn't naturally fit your body, your shooting instantly becomes harder. You begin making subconscious corrections. You force alignment. You adjust during the mount. You compensate without realizing it. And compensation destroys consistency. Wayne's philosophy was built around natural alignment. The gun should move where the eyes look, without effort, without adjustment, without hesitation. This is the difference between aiming and pointing. Most inexperienced shooters aim. Elite shooters point. Aiming is slow. It introduces conscious correction. It interrupts natural movement. Pointing is instinctive, fast, fluid, natural. Wayne Mays wasn't trying to steer the barrel toward the target. His body was already aligned. The movement happened automatically. This is why proper gun fit matters so much. When the gun fits correctly, the mount becomes repeatable. Visual connection improves. Movement feels effortless. And perhaps most importantly, mental energy is freed. Instead of fighting the gun, the shooter can focus entirely on the target. And that changes everything. Vision, the real battle, happens with the eyes. At the highest level, clay shooting is not about hands. It's not about strength. It's not even about mechanics. It's about vision. Wayne Mays understood that elite shooting begins with what the eyes do first. This is where many shooters make their biggest mistake. They check the bead. They glance at the barrel. They verify gun position. And in that tiny moment of distraction, they lose the target. Wayne's rule was simple: eyes on the target, always, because the eyes lead everything. The body follows visual information. The gun follows the body. The shot follows the gun. Break that chain, and everything falls apart. Elite visual discipline means seeing the target early, locking onto it immediately, tracking it cleanly, and allowing the body to respond naturally. There is no second guessing, no conscious steering, no hesitation, just visual acquisition and execution. This level of trust is what separates great shooters from everyone else. Most misses happen because the eyes disconnect. The shooter looks back at the gun, checks lead, questions movement, the brain hesitates, and the target escapes. Wayne eliminated this completely. He trusted his eyes. And because he trusted his eyes, his body responded with precision. That is elite visual shooting. The truth about pressure. Pressure destroys performance, even with perfect technique. Wayne mastered something rare. He removed pressure. How? By never thinking ahead. Pressure lives in the future. What if I miss? What if I lose? Wayne stayed in the present, always. He wasn't protecting scores. He was executing shots. Real confidence doesn't come from saying, "I won't miss." It comes from, "I trust my process." That's what made him dangerous. What made Wayne Mays different. Many shooters work hard, but Wayne worked smart. He simplified everything. While others overthought lead, angles, timing, he focused on one sequence: see, move, break. That's it. No clutter, no hesitation. Simplicity creates consistency, and consistency creates mastery. The real lesson. Wayne Mays wasn't just a champion. He was a system: focus, repetition, vision, trust. That's what built his greatness. Great shooters don't react. They execute, they don't guess, they trust. If you want to shoot like the best, start thinking like the best. That's the real legacy of Wayne May. Let me ask you something real quick. How many times have you watched shooting videos, felt like you learned something, and then forgot to subscribe? Yeah, most people do that. And then next time you struggle on the range, you don't even know where to come back. So here's the deal. If you actually want to improve your shooting, not just watch videos, then this channel is built for you. No random tips, no confusing theories, just real systems that help you hit more targets. Take 1 second and like the video. Hit subscribe, because that one click, it tells me you want more of this. And it tells YouTube to actually show you the next lesson, instead of random useless content. And I'll be honest with you, most people watch, but only a small percentage actually subscribe. The ones who do, they're the ones who improve. Also, I don't just post and disappear. If something in this video helps you, or if something doesn't make sense, drop a comment. I read everything, and I use your feedback to make each video sharper, clearer, and more useful. So don't just watch, be part of the process.